Moving forward, we're going to have Mr. Sharad Kotapalli, the president of Pi Square Technologies LLC. Warm welcome to you, sir. Last but not least, we have Mr. Vimal Raj Mathur, the CEO of Gradient Infotainment. Warm welcome. So welcoming everybody, all our VIP people right here with us on the stage. Warm welcome, pleasure having you here. So these are the people behind and who are gonna collab and make a very strong bond. That's Hornbill Studios and Foo Entertainment. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to take this forward, let's get more into this amazing partnership. I would like to request Mr. Ravi Kotapalli to please join me here to address the gathering and the press. Mr. Ravi.
My name is Ravi Kotapalli. I'm the managing director of Hornbill Studios. I first express my greetings from Hornbill Studios, a place where immense experiences are built. A famous poet Rumi said once, "What you seek is seeking you." Our occasion with the animation industry, our association with the animation industry is a manifestation of our vision, and we are humbly proud of it. It is rare to hear about a crew which has dreamers and doers, which has planners and goers, where passion meets professionalism. That one of the rare team is Hornbill Studios. Each professional is a hand-picked artist, and we as a team are here to continuing our strides to do best and the best work in 3D animation, end-to-end, pre-production to delivery, to be precise, which are included with key processes like storyboard and animatics, assets building, animation, VFX, LRC, etc. We are also looking forward to build our competency with niche talents.
Infotainment Limited, which is based in Hyderabad. And we had an honor of meeting Mr. Sharad a couple of months back in Switzerland. And then we started this partnership with him. So it's going to be very, very big partnership in the coming few weeks. We'll be making a big announcement also on that. And also, as you know, Gradient Infotainment is a 40-year-old media company. And it's around 40 crore right now, capital. And we are planning to expand it to about 500 crores in the very near future. So with Hornbill, we are trying to work out a big deal. Hopefully for our OTT platforms, for our music videos, for our movies and everything, we'll be working with Hornbill. So that's how we have to come to. And I'd like to welcome and thank Mr. Chris. Excellent presentation here, and we definitely would love to work with him also in the future. Thank you very much.
And of course, our leadership team from Foo Entertainment, Pi Square, Hornbill Studios. And of course, all my colleagues, both from Pi Square and Hornbill Studios. It's a wonderful occasion to gather. I think Ravi has summarized what Hornbill Studios' capability is. I think if I have to tell in one line, I think our studio's capability in one line, if I have to say, it's my team. Okay, we have a fantastic artists. I think they are the best in their fields associated with us, and we are growing. Okay, right now we are about 100 plus people, and we are growing this number to about 200 plus in the next couple of quarters, maybe 2 to 3 quarters, and the kind of projects that we've lined up. With this partnership, and not just produce content for them, but also I think collaborate with them on many other areas that includes even co-produce content in the future, and also expand into various global operations as well with Foo Entertainment with their presence across the globe. So in terms of the studio with difference, I think Ravi made a mention about Grade 1 Studio. I think if you look at the kind of projects that we have delivered in the last 2 years, I think some of the best world-class content and the shows that we have produced in Hornbill Studios was very well recognized, in Europe, and it is live broadcasted, and I think it's about 360 minutes of content that we've delivered for one of the broadcasters in Europe, based out of Italy. And I think that gave us an edge. I think today that studio where we have delivered that content was failed by many other studios. We are, in fact, were able to stand by it and deliver. And in fact, we are doing a sequel of that. I think those details we will communicate shortly once we start off with the project.
I love singing and dancing, and I'm also, And so I was a child and I have a big wish to dance with Michael Jackson and maybe like an actor to sing, to dance. And I grew up, I was German champ, I was European champ in street dance. I was signed by Sony Columbia, I was produced with Harold Faltermeyer. And then I was in the charts. And in 2000, Michael Jackson's manager is calling me, say, Chris, we know you like to dance with us, And then in 2000, my kid's wish comes true and I was dancing with Michael Jackson. So this was really a pleasure. And that's why I built Miss Belly Foo. So she's the ambassador for talent kids, and she lives in Daba Diba Duba land. And on there is a castle, and on the castle is a crystal, and in this crystal is our world, our universe. And the bad guys like to steal the energy and have both universe, but Miss Belly Foo have to save it. And that's why she needs real kids from the real world. So she's traveling to the real world like an avatar and find the right kid in different countries, different natures, different colors, blind girls, a boy with just one arm. So we take every kid with talents, that's really important for us. And and they go back to Daba Diba Duba land, and the real kid is changing to an avatar. And that's really amazing. And in the second stories, we make the biggest online casting show in the world. So every kid can switch in the Fugel app, and 26 kids can win a main role in our episodes. And that's really great. And we're really happy to be a partner right now with Hornbill. So that's really amazing, and we get to the next level to make the second season. And also we start next year in June by Netflix worldwide. And we also, Miss Belly Foo is the first virtual band by Warner Music worldwide. Yeah. And also we go with a live world tour with Miss Belly Foo then. So it was an amazing show for real dancers, real acrobats, and Miss Belly Foo and the band is digital. So that's a really high-end technology. Yeah. So this is from my person. I'm really happy to stay here in Hyderabad. I love Hyderabad and I love Hornbill Studios. So get into the future.
Thank you. We are very excited about creating a platform where any individual with a dream, if they wanted to do something, so we want to put our experience and expertise so that they can grow. I think that's where the Hornbill Media Entertainment started exactly 3 years ago. I think it's not, we are very young kid. Hornbill Studios was born, and I commend people with passion. I think that's what I have seen, what I was missing. I think there are good dreamers and passionate people that made Hornbill what it is today. But this is only a beginning. I think I want to congratulate entire Hornbill team for making this far. I know the bright future ahead for you. Okay? So I would like to thank our management team and everybody who presented here, because without me far away, I cannot do this. I think I have to give credit. India is the best country right now. The whole world is looking, and Hyderabad is the most happening. And we want to thank the government of Telangana, government of India for being the proactive measures. We are very excited to take it to the next level. Coming to this announcement, we believe in partnerships. We believe in synergy, because we cannot do everything by ourselves, anything we do. So we have concepts, ideas, business ideas, but we believe in partnerships.
back, equal.